Wow! Oh! Look at that! Wow! Look at those colors! They look amazing! Welcome, Luna and Zoe! I'm so glad you're here. Please, come on in and make yourselves at home. Isn't this so much fun? You gonna finish that, Luna? Not a chance, Zoe. I told you I wasn't sharing this one. Aw, come on, Luna. Just a lick? Nope. Too good. Oh, please, please, please. Okay, just kidding. Want some? You need to review Chapter 3. Every single detail. This is your only chance. Don't waste it. You wouldn't believe what happened. No way! Yes way! Guess what? You won't believe what happened. Really? Tell me. Come on, Zoe. Let's send this dragon soaring. Keep your voice down. He's watching us. You shouldn't have seen that. Please, Nora. Let's just forget it. Don't ever tell anyone. I saw everything. You have to believe me. You're not supposed to be out. I know.
You shouldn't be here, Luna. Go home.
Here you go, sweetheart. Strawberry on top, just how you like it.
You knew exactly what you were doing, and I won't forget it. Luna? Cha.